Welcome. In today's quick tutorial, we're walking you through the updated steps to attach a file when sending an email using the Gmail app. Whether it's a document, a photo, or a PDF, attaching files on the go is simple once you know where to tap. Let's get right into it. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where you want to send your email. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a circular button with a pencil icon. This is the Compose button. Tap it to start writing a new email. Once you're in the Compose screen, look towards the top right. You'll see a paperclip icon. Tap that. This is your gateway to attaching files. After tapping the paperclip, a small menu will pop up. Choose the option that says Attach File. This will open your phone's file browser. Now, browse through your files and select what you want to attach. It could be a PDF, a Word document, a screenshot, or even a photo from your gallery. Tap the file, and Gmail will upload and attach it to your message automatically. You can attach more than one file if needed. Just repeat the steps. Once your file is attached, you're ready to finish your email. Enter the email address of the person you're sending it to. Don't forget to add a subject line. It helps your recipient know what the email is about. Then, type your message in the body section below. Before you hit send, double-check everything. Make sure the file is attached, the recipient's email address is correct, and the message says exactly what you want. When you're all set, tap the send button at the top right corner of your screen. And that's it. You've successfully sent an email with an attachment using the Gmail app. It's quick, easy, and super convenient when you're on the move. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other how-tos to get the most out of your everyday apps.